Hey there, welcome to my channel Art by Asset. If you have never painted before but always wanted to, this video is perfect for you. With me today, you will be able to create some gorgeous chrysanthemum flower. Just sit down, relax, grab a few tools and let's paint. As a reference, I place here the original photograph. I start with a mid value cool as yellow to create the first wash. In some place like the top of the flower, I use light value by diluting the paint. I try and keep some white and negative space intact with the flower. However, you will see the flowers on the right side are darker or muddy. That is because the profile of the round flower that are facing the artwork do not face the light directly. So I use darker tone by mixing just a touch of some leaf green and burnt sienna to paint the flowers on the left. I also drop in some diluted burnt sienna in the petal, start creating the sense of depth and dimension within the flower. There will be some more detailing later. I experiment with the different green like sap green and ochre greens on the palette and create some mixes with the colors already there. I didn't want to use green pigment straight from the tube and allow it to mix some existing colors on the palette to make the artwork and color more cohesive. I adjust the value and chroma of green and drop in a bit of cool blue to create some sense of play of light inside the water. Thereafter, I finish painting the leaves on the stem, some above the jar and some inside the jar. I leave the flower at this stage and allow them to dry. One of the most intriguing challenges was to paint the transparent glass jar. As you can see in the original picture, the transparent glass jar has dull or neutral color that are a reflection of object around it. For the art pieces, however, I want to play the hues of purple and blue to mimic the light and reflection. Throughout the video, you will find some parts where I keep going back to detail some areas that have dried. After this, I come back to the flower to add second layer On the petal, I use cadmium yellow for this stage. I try and keep the brush strokes alternative with the wash below in some places for the cool yellow to show through. I also use this opportunity to create some final details and highlights using some darks and natural, adding depth and dimension to the flower. The real magic for me happened in the final touches, adding highlights to the flowers with the touch of burnt sienna to create some shadows and depth, giving the blossom a more realistic feel. I think one of the key lessons is always trust the process and stick with it. See where it goes and you may be surprised in the end. And with that last bit, I feel the artwork is more or less complete. If you like painting with watercolor or any medium, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more of such videos of painting potted plants or flowers in a jar, do give the videos thumbs up. Thanks for watching.